What time is it? It's your math workshop time. So as you know, this week we were working on time and the different moments in the day. So for the workshop today, I'm gonna ask you to be very creative and think of your dream job. So I already have my dream job. My dream job was being a teacher, but I have to be a little bit more creative for you guys this morning. So I imagine myself as a vet. So someone who works with animals and makes them feel all better again. And I'm going to take you through the process of creating your own schedule. So after choosing your dream job, you're gonna have to create a schedule for your day. So what would your day be if you were, I'm talking about a vet, if you were a doctor, if you were a teacher? So what would you do in the morning, before noon, at noon, afternoon, in the evening, and at night? You're even going to have to choose different hours. So I'll take you through the different steps in which you're gonna have to create your perfect schedule for your perfect job. Wake up, everybody. First step is, what time are you going to wake up? So you can really come up with the hour of your choice. You don't have to go with a specific hour. Let's say you're waking up at 6 right now. You can wake up at 8 if you want to. It's your dream schedule for your dream job, so just have fun. So what would your mornings be like? Would you eat something special every breakfast? Would you wake up a little later? So how is your morning going to go? Think about it. So now it's before noon. You probably should be at work by now, right? So imagine yourself. What would you be doing at your dream job at this time in the day? So it's before noon. Would you have clients? Would you have students? Would you have animals? It's up to you. It's your job to think about what you would be doing in the before noon. So l'avant-midi. All right, time for a lunch break. Around noon, it's probably time to eat. So at your dream job, what would you be eating? Would you be eating something very special? Would you go out eat at a restaurant? Would you eat with your coworkers? Really, again, up to you to decide on what you want to eat. Okay, back to work again. We are the afternoon. So what would you be doing in your afternoons at work? So it's up to you to think about that and come up with a couple of ideas. All right, whew, what a day. Now it's the evening, so you're back at your home. What are you gonna eat for supper? What are you gonna do with your evenings when you grow up? Think about it. Are you gonna have special suppers? Are you going to have a family that you could come home to? Are you gonna watch television at night? So really up to you to think about how you would spend your evenings with your dream job. Okay, so now it's nighttime. So if you could choose any hour, at what time would you go to bed? Remember, you have to wake up to go to your dream job in the morning, so make sure you don't go to bed too late. So it's up to you to think about your nighttime routine. So maybe brushing your teeth, maybe taking a shower or a bath, and then heading to bed. Okay, so just to give you guys an idea of how you could create this schedule, I'm going to show you my own example with my beautiful pictures. So I hope you enjoy. Okay, so this is the example of the schedule I made to show you guys how you can do it. You can take this template, which will be available next to this video, or you can also use another kind of template. You can come up with your own ideas. You can use just pieces of paper around your house. You don't have to print this out. So really go with what you have and what is going to be useful for you. So the template starts here with the first scene is in the morning. So this is me waking up in the morning, ready to go to work. It is, if we look here, 7 o'clock in the morning. So the big hand is on the 12 and the shorter one is on 7. So 7 for the hours. So 7 o'clock in the morning. And then it is now 10 o'clock in the morning and I am taking care of my very first patient of the day, Mr. Dylan. So Mr. Dylan is a young dog and he came for a little exam, so I was making sure that he was healthy. Now it's noon, so I wanted to be quick, so I just had a sandwich. If we look at the clock here, it says noon, so both hands are on the 12, just so you can maybe copy this when you're going to be doing your own schedule. Afternoon, there it is. So afternoon, it is 2 o'clock, and I am taking care of these two Siamese cats. So they came in for a little exam once again. They're all healthy and ready to go. And then it's the evening, so it's 6 o'clock on my clock right here. One of the special things I like to do once in a while is to eat supper in front of the television. So that's what I'm doing right here, having supper in front of the TV. Don't do that every night, but you know, it's a special dream schedule, so there it is. And then here I have 9 o'clock. It is night time. It is time to go to bed. So I go to bed around 9. So there you go. So here you have my example. I will put it available next to the video as well. So if ever you're having a little bit of trouble with the hours, you can use the same hours that I did. So I hope you're going to have fun. All right, so now it's gonna be up to you to come up with your schedule for your dream job, so basically your dream day. So you're gonna have to come up with 6 moments of the day, so the morning, before noon, noon, afternoon, evening, and night. For each moment, you can either draw, so dessiner la scène, comme de toi qui se réveille et tout ça. So you can draw, you can take pictures of yourself. That's what I did in my example. So I took pictures of me. I was wearing a costume, well, with what I had to make a costume. Or else you can even make a short video if you want to. Really go with what you're most comfortable with. So I really want you to just have fun with this and have fun imagining your life. So go ahead and think about your dream jobs. Just don't forget to put the hour on your schedule because it's very important that we were working both the moments of the day and the hours as well. Just a quick reminder, that the long hand, so the longer one is the minutes and the shorter one is the hours. So just a little reminder. So have fun with your workshop and I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.